Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to draw a good emoji. So let's start the drawing. Today we are going to use the marker. You can see I'm using right here. So the circle you have seen, this was previously drawn. Alright. It's a bright color, you can see here. Alright. So as you know, this color, it's a very bright color. That's why the emoji, this is going to be looking good. Alright. Now let's go for this part. All right. So this is the color outline we have just drawn right now. Now we are going to put the deep color for the eyebrow. Let's draw the top one first, then another one here. Okay. And you can see one portion for the left eye we are going to draw here, and another one we are going to draw here. Okay. And for the right eye we are going to draw one side in deep color only. And let's move for the rest of the part. We're going to make a variation, that's why we just changed the drawing styles and the instruments. So this is little bit not so deep, the thin lines. Now we're going to connect here. Okay. And this line we can make another drawing like this, and the eyeball inside, this is going to be black. Okay. Also we are going to make a clear differentiation with the color, you can see here. So the pencils we are using it. All right. And we're making differentiations here. Okay. Now for the last part we're going to put the blue color in the eye here. So this is almost complete. All right. Okay, so this is a very nice piece. I hope you like the drawing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.